checked oil, everything's on full. Somebody's got everything blasting away as usual. Okay, now wait a minute here. Here's all your warning deals. I don't know if this thing has a fuel pump on it, but wait a minute here. Alright, here we go, guys. Coming out, kind of forward. Pretty darn good. It's really cold south wind from the south. Look at chaff. Oh my goodness, it's windy. And then I gotta figure out the buttons and stuff here. It's simple to run. You just gotta go into a case like John Deere. It's backwards to me. See him coming over. I think he's going over in that low spot over there, but I'll walk over that way. Look at that beautiful sunset, guys. Look at that. It's nice, windy, dry, you know, but now the clouds are kind of going over. You won't be able to hear me. It's windy. Combine is so quiet. Yeah, it's looks really good this year. You gotta go way down there in the slough down there. There's a lot of mud and rocks and stuff. You gotta go down there and screw around and stuff. What a beautiful sunset, guys. I'm on the semi here to get that shot there. He's down there where the other, that's another combine, but he's down below the hill down there. Look at that beautiful sunset. Just beautiful. I'll take a picture quick here. Okay, you probably heard a click and then a blank screen. I just took a picture of that sunset right now. Yeah, he's down below the hill. The other combine blew up. I don't know whose it is. It's probably our family. I have no idea. I can't see that far away. Even with the camera zoomed in, I don't know who the heck it is. I hear something making noise. Is that you?
Hey guys, just a side note, after you've seen the combine going, I've been running a combine, so I can't hold a camera and film at the same time because you look for rocks and stuff. So I might not have a video for couple, 3, 4, 5 days probably. Just got home, I see Kiko's coming out here. But like I said, I just want to let you know, if you don't see a video for a week or something, it's not because I'm ignoring YouTube, but farming comes first, especially when winter's coming soon. We still got a lot to do, so got a new John Deere, like a Cadillac, a lot different than that case. What?
What? What? But seriously, guys, that case wouldn't be able to go through the fields. It was so muddy. It was,
we had to use the rear wheel assist and everything, and a lot of weeds and spots and gopher mounds, and people have been sucking their combine and wrecking it, so we had to put a kit in there. What? But like I said, I'll try to put out a video when I can, and that's all I can say. Bye guys.